guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. I was just going through my Instagram feed and I saw her latest post and I just fell in love with her look. Especially the eyes, it was so light and bright because of the yellow. It had a matte finish and especially the fox eye. I liked it so much that I really wanted to recreate it and film it for you guys. And to complete the look, I curled my hair, put on some hair extensions, and I also put two ponytails. Not sure if you can see it. So this is the completed look. I just love the way it turned out, and it's also really simple to create because I just used 2 or 3 eyeshadows to get this whole look. It's not got any false lashes, so it becomes even more simpler. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm done with my hairstyle. I put 2 ponytails here. I've curled my hair and I've also put on my hair extension. So now let's get on with the face makeup. I'll be priming my face with the Malio Magic Perfecting Face Primer. For foundation, I'll be using the Kryolan Supra colors in the shade FS28. Starting off with my cheeks and blending it outwards. Next, I'll be color correcting using the Kryolan concealer in the shade D30. Applying a very small amount just to cancel out the darkness. And then applying the Kryolan concealer in the shade D5. I'm just tapping it and not dragging it because I don't want the color corrector to move. And with whatever is left on the brush, also applying it on my eyelids. Now taking a damp beauty blender, blending it all together. Now to contour my face, I'll be using the Kryolan foundation in the shade NG1. Now using my stippling brush, just blending it out. Now to highlight under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. Now setting my face using the Color Essence Compact Powder in the shade CP4. Now using my L'Oreal Paris Bronzer Highlighter Kit, I'll be going over the cream contour. Now that we are done with our base, let's move on to the eye makeup. I'll be using the Morphe X James Charles palette today. And I'll be picking up the shade called 518 and I'll be applying it all over my crease. And once I've placed all the product on my crease, I'll be dragging it down on my lids as well. Now since we are going for that fox eye look, use any sharp object to keep it at the end of your eyes and flick the eyeshadow outwards. This will help you get a nice shape without having to apply any scotch tape or sellotape. I'll be picking up this yellow shade called B and applying it on my lids. These are pigmented colors, so I'm just going to tap it and place it on my lids. such a beautiful color, right? The reason I applied the orange before the yellow is because I wanted that pop of orange and not just this bright yellow on my lids. And then I'm taking the first brush without any product and just blending both the colors. Next, I'll be taking a really small pencil brush and I'll be mixing up these two shades. This is called Rusted and this is called You're Kidding. And I'll be applying it really close to my lash line to get the eyeliner effect that she's wearing. I'm not sure if she used a red eyeliner, but I'm trying to get the similar effect using the eyeshadows. So I don't know, you can work with whatever you have. Now I'll be using a super thin brush to drag the red eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eye to get that fox eye and to elongate my eyes. And I'm also dragging it in the inner corners of my lower lash line. And then finally picking up this really dark brown shade and apply the liner. And I also use the same shade to tightline my lash line. Now that our eyeshadow work is done, I guess she's not wearing any false lashes for this look, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply a mascara. I'll be applying my L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. For blush, I'll be using the Savannah colors in these two shades. She's not got too much highlighter on her face, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Blush palette, and I'll be using this highlighter from this palette because it gives you a very natural finish. I'll be lining my lips using the Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Tangelo Orange. I'll be overlining my lips today because I want them to look a little fuller and thick. And then for lipstick, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Bare Attractions. On top of it, I'll be applying the Maybelline Water Shine Liquid Diamond because I want that glossy effect today. So this is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and loved this look. You guys must try it out. It's really easy to create, as you guys saw. It just involves a couple of eyeshadows, a mascara, and you're done. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up. Take care you guys and see you in my next vlog.